Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn exercise 2.3 question number 3. Now let's read the question. Obtain all the other zeros of 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. If two of x zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. So here they have given us two zeros, okay, that is root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 of this polynomial. We have to find the other zeros, okay. So now let's start. So here first I write down the polynomial. So that becomes x34 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So this is our polynomial, okay. So here our first zero is x is equal to root 5 by 3 and here second zero is minus root 5 by 3, okay. So we want x is equal to 0. So that becomes, I'll bring this root 5 by 3 on the other side. That becomes x minus root 5 by 3 is equal to 0, okay. And here that becomes x plus root 5 by 3, okay, is equal to 0. So you can see this both is in the form a plus b and a minus b. So the identity, or that is, we have an identity, that is a plus b and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we are using this identity here. So that becomes, so here that becomes x square minus root 5 by 3 square, okay. So here x square minus, so here the square and the root will cancel, that becomes 5 by 3, okay. So this is our g of x. So we have to divide this g of x to the p of x to get the other zeros. So here we have to divide them. So our g of x is x square minus 5 by 3 and the p of x is 3x4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5, okay. So here first we want 3x4. So I'll multiply it by 3x square into x square, that becomes 3x4. So 3x4, and here you can see 3x square into minus 5 into 3. So first we'll do it here. 3x square into minus 5 by 3. So here from 3 will cancel, that becomes minus 5x square. So here that becomes minus 5x square. So this will change. So here we have plus, that becomes minus, and here plus. So here plus minus will cancel and 6x cube. So here also plus minus, so that becomes plus 3x square because 5 is the greater number and its symbol is plus, and here minus 10x minus 5, okay. So now next is we want 6x cube. So here we have x square, so here plus 6x. So 6x into x square becomes 6x cube. So that becomes 6x cube, and here we have to do 6x into 5 minus 5 into 3. So that becomes 6x into minus 5 by 3. This is nothing is there. So that becomes 2x. So 2x into minus 5 becomes 5 2s is 10. So minus 10x, okay. So here that becomes minus 10x. So this becomes minus and here plus. So plus minus this will cancel, that becomes 3x square, and here plus minus this will also cancel, minus 5. So here we want 3x square. So I am multiplying it by plus 3. So plus 3 into x square is 3x square. So that becomes 3x square, and here 3 into minus 5 by 3. So that becomes, I will do it here, 3 into minus 5 by 3. 3, this 3 from your denominator and the numerator will cancel. Remaining is root 5. So that becomes minus 5. So here minus and here plus. Plus minus will cancel. Here plus minus will cancel. So here 0. Okay. So our g of x we got 3x square plus 6x plus 3. So here we have to split the middle term and we'll get the other two zeros. Okay. Now we have to split the middle term. So here that is 3x square plus 6x plus 3. So I'll write it down here first. 3x square plus 6x plus 3. So we have to split the middle term. Okay. So 3 into 3. First we have to multiply this other two numbers. Okay. So that becomes 3 into 3 is 9. So 9x square. So here 9, 3 3s is 9. We have to first take the LCM. So 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 3 is 9 and 3 plus 3 is 6. So here we can split the middle term as plus 3x plus 3x plus 3. So 3x plus 3x is 6x. Okay, now here we have to take the common. Here the common is 3x. That becomes, remaining is x plus 1. And here nothing is common, so plus 1 and 3x plus 3. Okay, so 3x plus 1 and here we have the common, that is 3. So here minus 3. So that becomes, here when we take the common out here, that becomes, I'll wait 1 minute. So 3x x plus 1, and when we take the common, that becomes x plus 1. Okay, so here that is x plus 1 and 3x plus 3. Okay, so this is our zeros we got. So x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 and 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. And 3x on the other side, plus 3 will become minus 3. So minus 3, and here this is multiplied with x, so it becomes minus 3 by 3. Okay, so that becomes minus 1. So the next two zeros is minus 1 and minus 1. So this was the end of the question number 3. If you like our channel, please subscribe.